The crossings in Adamstown will be the main social and retail area, and that has 3 zones. The zone that we're working on is called the rail yard zone, and that will have 2 major shopping centres in it. So the job consists of just under 4,000 square metres of panels, which is about over 15,000 panels on the job. So 750 square metres of it are these complex folded panels, and another 750 square metres are the picture perf panels. And the balance being standard panels which clad the perimeter of the building, which is the shopping centre and the car park area. So what happens is the panels are perforated, and then they go through the cutting and notching, and then they're put up on the LVD to fold. And then they go to the painters, which they're painted then in a specialised colour. That colour is a maroon 630, and it is a polyester powder coat in a class 2 metallic finish. So that's a very specialised paint that was picked just primarily for this particular job.
The job actually exceeded expectations. The partnership between us all worked very, very well. Everybody was happy, from the architects through the main contractor, the facade consultants, all of our suppliers, and even the installation team, who were impossible to please, were very pleased with the way it went. 2 very specific special features on the project. One is the picture perforation on the west elevation, which entailed a lot of initial design work and preparation. Especially bearing in mind, because it's 75 metres long by 12 metres high, allowing for building tolerances, we had to ensure that the support structure had the ability to adapt to any subtle changes in the surface onto which it was being fixed. And of course then there was also the fact that it's floodlit, so the zone had to be adequate to ensure that at night when it was lit it would do what it needed to do. The other special feature was on the projecting panels, where you've got a diaphragm where the subframe itself is quite light and the panelling is quite light, but when you tie them together they are very, very rigid and can resist the very high wind loads that are prevalent on the site. Because of the success on this project, we've actually been successful in landing a further project up in Drogheda, a 9-storey apartment block, and there's been a lot of interest generated, and going forward it looks like the way to go.